Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the second part of our video series in which we are learning the names of different countries in Korean language. As I mentioned in the first part, Asia is the largest continent and has so many countries. So we are learning the names of Asian countries in two parts. Now let's dive into the second part and discover the remaining Asian countries in Korean language. If you have missed the first part, make sure to check it out. Now, let's begin with our second part. Here comes the first country, and that is Cambodia. In Korean, it is called Cambodia. Cambodia. Now, let's see the Korean word for Jordan, and that is Jordan. Jordan. Here comes the next one, and that is Afghanistan, and in Korean it is Afghanistan. Afghanistan. Now comes the next country, and that is Laos, and in Korean it is Laos. Laos. Here comes the next one, and that is Bahrain. In Korean it is Bahrain. Bahrain. Okay, now let's move ahead and see the next one, and that is Sri Lanka, and in Korean it is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. Next comes the Korean word for the country Singapore, and that is Singapore. Singapore. Now comes the country Kuwait, and in Korean it is Kuwait. Kuwait. Next comes the Korean word for the country Bangladesh, and that is Bangladeshi. Bangladeshi. Now comes the next country, and that is Thailand, and in Korean it is Taeguk. Taeguk. Next, let's see how you are going to say Lebanon in Korean, and that is Lebanon. Lebanon. Here comes the next one, and that is Pakistan, and in Korean it is called Pakistan. Pakistan. Next comes the Korean word for Vietnam, and that is Vietnam. Vietnam. Now let's see the next country, and that is Oman. In Korean it is Oman. Oman. Next comes the Korean word for Iraq, and that is Iraq. Iraq. Now let's see the next one, and that is Palestine, and in Korean it is Palestine. Palestine. Next comes the Korean word for the country Myanmar, and that is Myanmar. Myanmar. Now comes the Korean word for the country Yemen, and that is Yemen. Yemen. Next comes the country Uzbekistan, and in Korean it is Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan. Now let's see the Korean word for the country Syria, and that is Syria. Syria. And the last one is the Korean word for the country Israel, and that is Israel. Israel. Alright, so today we learned the names of the remaining Asian countries that we left in the first part of the series. So, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.